Hello friends, good morning and welcome back to the channel with another fresh session. We were solving end of the chapter exercise of chapter 4 class 9. The topic is exploring algebraic identities. We will take up to the third question we have already done. Now in this session we are starting it from question number 4. Question number 4 is simplify the following. I've already written here. Simplify the following using identities. Now, I have also given you all the identities in one place. You can check it once again that this is the list of identity, and I would advise you also prepare this kind of list so that you can refer it while solving the questions. Now, quickly coming to the question, let's see this. Simplify the following. Here, the numerator and denominator are to be solved or factorized in such a way so that they don't have any more the common factors. So for that, we need to factorize the numerator. I can see the numerator, it is 4x square and the 1. These two terms can be taken as the squares. So I will try to develop it with a plus b whole square identity keeping in my mind. So this I will write as 2x the whole square plus twice of 2x multiplied by 1 plus 1 square, and in the denominator very clearly you can just resemble it with a square minus b square. So I'll write it as 2x the whole square minus 1. The next step, it becomes a plus b whole square. So I'll write the numerator as 2x plus 1 the whole square, and the denominator is a plus b into a minus b. Fine. That is 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. Hope this is clear. Now we can see in numerator and denominator 2x plus 1 is common. So I will cancel out one factor. So we are left with 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 1. This is our final answer. Okay. Now the second part of this question is 9 times of 3 a cube minus 24 b cube over 9 a square minus 36 b square. Now the very first thing, again we have to look for the common factor, so we need to find out first the factors of numerator and denominator. Now in numerator you can clearly see 3 is a factor of 3 and 24. So I'll take out this 3. So 3 times 9 will become 27 here, and once 3 is taken out we are left with a cube minus 3 is taken out from 24, so you are left with 8 b cube. Fine. Hope this step is clear to everyone. And here 9 I can see common, so I'll take out 9 and I am left with a square minus 4 b square. Now seeing this is nothing but a cube minus b cube. It can be put into that form, right? And we know that a cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Guys, make sure that you write wherever whatever identity is used. Fine. For examination point of view, this is very important. Now, according to this identity, I'll break up the numerator. It is 27, and this one I will write as a cube minus 2b the whole cube. Now, as per this identity, I'll break this up as 27 multiplied by a minus 2b times a square minus, this is ab, so plus 2ab plus the square of this, that is 4b square. And the denominator part is nothing but a square minus this. That can be written as 9a square minus 2b the whole square. Here again we will put the identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is 9a plus b and a minus b. Right? Now you can see the commons. This is common, a minus 2b, a minus 2b, and 9 3 times is this. So you are left with in numerator 3 times of a square plus 2ab plus 4b square, and the denominator you are having a plus 2b, and this is our answer. Okay, hope you understood this part also. Now the third part let us take. Third part says s cube plus 125 t cube over s square minus twice of st minus 35 t square. Now the numerator part, very clearly you can see it is a cube plus b cube. I'll express it as s cube plus 5t whole cube, which is nothing but s plus 5t times s square minus, because plus it is, so this time we will take minus 5 st plus b square, that is 25 t square. Fine, hope you understood this. And the denominator part is nothing but, it is not a perfect square and it is a trinomial, so I'll break up with sum and product or middle term splitting. So middle term here is 2 and this coefficient is 35. So 7 5s are 35. So I'll write the denominator as s square minus 7st plus 5st, because 7 minus 5 will be minus 2, because 7 is negative, minus 35 t square. Now making this and this as groups, we will take s common and we are left with s minus 7t plus, take 5 common from here, 5t, you are left again with s minus 7t. So our factors are now s plus 5t and s minus 7t. Now very clearly you can see s plus 5t, s plus 5t gets cancelled and you are left with s square minus 5st plus 25t square upon s minus 7t. This is your final answer. Okay, now this is what the fourth question was. Let's come to the next question, question number 5. Now question number 5 says you have to find the sides, that is length and breadth of a rectangle. Just look into your books, you can find question number 5, which says that a rectangle whose area is given as, area is 25 a square minus 30 ab plus 9b square, and you have to find the possible lengths and breadths. That means area of a rectangle is always length into breadth. So what he wants us to do is to factorize this expression into two factors, one of which can be considered as length and breadth. So our job is to factorize this. So let's quickly see how we go about it. Now, clearly I can see this is a perfect square. That is 5a whole square minus twice of 5a times 3b plus 3b whole square, which is nothing but a minus b whole square identity it resembles. So this is 5a minus 3b whole square. So we can have length equals to 5a minus 3b and breadth is also 5a minus 3b. So when length and breadth are equal, it's actually a rectangle. But he hasn't asked this, so don't mention that. You can simply give the length and breadth. This was the first part of question number 5. Second part, again, the area is given as 36 s square minus 49 t square. Very clearly you can see this is nothing but a square minus b square, right? So here I'll express it as 6s the whole square minus 7t the whole square, which is nothing but 6s plus 7t and 6s minus 7t. So in this case, length you can take as 6s plus 7t and breadth you can take as 7s minus 7t, right? This is our answer. Now come to the next question, sixth question. He has given volume of a cuboid. You know that volume of a cuboid is nothing but length times breadth times height. And he wants us to find out possible values of length, breadth and height. Volume he has given as 6a square minus 24b square. So we have to now, in this case, we have to factorize, and probably we will get 3 factors, one corresponding to the length, breadth and height. Fine, let's go for factorizing it. The very first thing, as I have told you earlier also, for factorization, look for the common. Now 6 and 24, 6 is common, and we are left with a square minus 6 4s are 24. So here you are with 4b square. Now very clearly you can see that this is a square minus b square. That is, I can break it as a plus b and a minus b. Here see, I have done it directly. But when you do for the examination purpose, please do mention the relevant identity you are using every step. Okay? Just in order to save the time, I am doing it a little bit quicker because now you know it, how to do it. Okay? Now, these are the 3 factors, 1, 2 and 3. We can consider them as length, breadth and height. So, this is the answer for our 6th question. Then come to the, so let's stop it here because the video will become too long. In the next session, I'll take up the other question. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.